Welcome to our channel. If you want to install the Ultimate Firestick app using a free downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and navigate to the search function. Search for Downloader and install it. Step 2. Launch the downloader app and locate the URL input field on the home screen. Step 3. Enter the free downloader code for Ultimate Firestick app and press Go to begin downloading. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download completely. Monitor the progress shown on screen. Step 5. When download completes, an installation window will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to finish, then click Done. Delete the APK file if you want. Step 7. Return to your Firestick home screen and find Ultimate Firestick app in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and experience the Ultimate Firestick entertainment solution with comprehensive access to movies, shows, live TV, sports, and more in one powerful application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.